my name is Anisha and today I'm filming this video so as to share with you all my Hallyu story. That is, how I met Korea and what made me attracted to it. So without any further ado, let's start. So, my first instance with the Hallyu wave was back in the year 2019 when I watched my first ever K-drama on the recommendation of my sister. It was my first time watching a K-drama because I have never watched any Korean language dramas ever before, and the name of the drama was My Love from Another Star. And after watching that drama, I felt truly captivated. I mean, I thought that how can a drama be so utterly unique? I mean, the story plot was utterly unique. The aesthetic locations really had the capability to relieve my stress. Also, one thing I need to mention here is that not all K-dramas are about the main leads. I mean, obviously the focal points are the main leads, but when you get to see the drama, you are exposed to a lot of new things, like the values it instills or the life lessons that it has, the new and diversified characters, their own charms, etc. And if I talk about my drama, so it had a lot of life lessons and I had never thought that I would be learning these lessons through a drama. Also, the original soundtracks of the dramas are the one thing that mesmerizes all the K-drama lovers, and same is the case with me. When I heard the OST of this drama for the very first time, I was mesmerized, and I guess I have listened it till now hundreds and thousands of times. But I was yet to be called a K-culture enthusiast. Yes, you heard it right. Even after watching this drama, I was not a K-culture enthusiast. Why? Because the major breakthrough moment was yet to come. So, after witnessing the beauty of K-dramas in the initial year of 2019, I wanted to watch more of them. I wanted to explore more of them, but due to studies and work, I wasn't able to manage it. So, in the year 2020, when we had our vacations and when I was about to come in my 12th standard, which is the last year of schooling in India, I decided to watch more of them. And the K-drama that I started to watch then was titled as The Heirs, which was also a masterpiece. Thereafter, life was never normal due to this COVID-19 pandemic. We were locked in our homes, we were not able to enjoy our school life, and so on one random night when I was watching YouTube videos and I really wanted to explore something new, I guess I just typed K-pop or BTS on the search bar and just clicked it, because these two terms were in my mind after I got into K-dramas, but I was never enthusiastic enough to search them. But since on that day I was really craving for something new, so I typed them, and the first link that popped up was the performance which was given by BTS on the Mnet K-pop YouTube channel for their single Boy With Love, and I just clicked on the video and that was all. I started to listen to their music, the music got into my head, and this was something I have never listened before because I was not so much into music. I mean, they were singing live, they were dancing live, and after listening to their songs, it felt like music can be this beautiful and music can be this soothing. For me, K-pop songs have always been like my friends. You know, those friends whom you can rely upon in every situation, who just pats on your head to say that everything is fine and everything will go on, everything will pass on. And these songs provided me with every feeling, you know, when I was feeling low, when I wanted to listen something good, when I wanted to listen to some party music, these songs never disappoint me. Also, K-pop taught me one very important thing, and that is how to be truly determined for something. I mean, the hard work that the K-pop idols do, it is something which is really, or which should be really admired. And then after, I became a part of one of the most beautiful fandoms in the world, that is the ARMY, and I'm really grateful for that I am an ARMY and I became an ARMY, because choosing them was the best decision ever. And so like this, K-pop and K-dramas together made me more enthusiastic and more curious about their culture, and I wanted to know more about Korea, about their people, about their culture and traditions. And so I got the opportunity to become an HR and K influencer, and I thought in my mind that if you love them, if you love their culture, so why not promote it, why not explore it, being a part of this. So yeah, that was all about my Hallyu story, about how I met Korea and about what attracted me towards it. I hope you all liked the video, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So yeah, that's all with the video. See you all in the next video.